Hello everyone, welcome to Your Class, Your Future YouTube channel. Today, let's discuss 7th Standard Social Science subject, lesson number 5, Vadayars of Mysuru question answers. First, chronology. Chikkadevaraja Vadayar 1673 to 1704 CE. CE means Common Era. Hyder Ali 1761 to 1782 CE. Tipu Sultan 1782 to 1799 CE. First Anglo-Mysuru War 1767 to 1769 CE. Second Anglo-Mysuru War 1782 1784. Third Anglo-Mysuru War 1792 1792 CE. Fourth Anglo-Mysuru War 1799 CE. Mark Cubbon 1834 to 1881 CE. Bowring 1862 to 1870 CE. Chamraj Vadayar 10 1881 to 1894 CE. Nalavadi Krishnaraja Vadayar 1902 to 1940 CE. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya 1912 to 1918 CE. Sir Mirza Ismail 1926 to 1941 CE. Next, exercises. First main question, fill in the blanks. First one, dash was the capital of early Mysuru Vadayars. Answer, Srirangapatna. Srirangapatna was the capital of early Mysuru Vadayars. Second one, after the Second Anglo-Mysuru War, British and Tipu signed dash treaty. Answer, Mangaluru. After the Second Anglo-Mysuru War, British and Tipu signed Mangaluru Treaty. Third one, dash was famous as Tiger of Mysuru. Answer, Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was famous as Tiger of Mysuru. Fourth one, dash was the Diwan of Krishnaraja Vadayar III. Answer, Purnaya. Purnaya was the Diwan of Krishnaraja Vadayar III. Fifth one, Legislative Assembly started in the year dash at Mysuru State. Answer, 1907. Legislative Assembly started in the year 1907 at Mysuru State. Next, sixth question. Gandhiji described Mysuru State as dash. Answer, Ramarajya. Gandhiji described Mysuru State as Ramarajya. Next, seventh one. Dash was the first Kannadiga to get Bharat Ratna Award. Answer, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya was the first Kannadiga to get Bharata Ratna award? Eighth one, Irvine Canal was built by Diwan Dash. Answer, Sir Mirza Ismail. Irvine Canal was built by Diwan Sir Mirza Ismail. Next, second main question. Answer the following in a sentence each. First one, who established Attara Kacheri? Answer, Chikkadevaraya Raja Vadayar established Attara Kacheri. Attara means 18. Answer once again, Chikkadevaraja Vadayar established Attara Kacheri. Second one, where is Darya Daulat? Answer, Darya Daulat is in Srirangapatna. Answer once again, Darya Daulat is in Srirangapatna. Next, third one, where is Lal Bagh? Who started this? Answer, Lal Bagh is in Bengaluru. Hyder Ali started this. Answer once again, Lal Bagh is in Bengaluru. Hyder Ali started this. Fourth one, who came to power after Tipu's death? Answer, Krishnaraja Vadayar III came to power after Tipu's death. Answer once again, Krishnaraja Vadayar III came to power after Tipu's death. Question number 5. Why was the administration of commissions introduced? Answer, as the British felt that Krishnaraja Vadayar III did not properly suppress the revolt of Bidunuru of Shivamogga, they dethroned the king and brought the administration of Mysuru under a commissioner. Answer once again, answer number 5. As the British felt that Krishnaraja Vadayar III did not properly suppress the revolt of Bidunuru of Shivamogga, they dethroned the king and brought the administration of Mysuru under a commissioner. Sixth question. Name the important commissioners of Mysuru. Answer, Mark Cubbon and Louis Bentham Bowring were the important commissioners of Mysuru. Answer once again, Mark Cubbon and Louis Bentham Bowring were the important commissioners of Mysuru. Seventh one, what is Punaradana? Answer, in 1881, British handed over the administration of the state again to Chamaraja Vadayar X. This is called Punaradana. Answer once again, in 1881, British handed over the administration of the state again to Chamaraja Vadayar X. This is called Punaradana. Eighth one, when did Praja Pratinidhi Sabha came into existence? Answer, in 1881, Praja Pratinidhi Sabha came into existence. Answer once again, in 81 Praja Pratinidhi Sabhe came into existence. Question number 9. Where is Kannada Sahitya Parishad? When was it established? Answer. Kannada Sahitya Parishad is in Bengaluru. It was established in the year 1915. Answer once again. Kannada Sahitya Parishad is in Bengaluru. It was established in the year 1915. Question number 10. Who led the palace protest? Answer. K.C. Reddy led the palace protest. Answer once again. K.C. Reddy led the palace protest. Third main question. Discuss in groups and answer. First one. What are the achievements of Hyder Ali? Answer. The achievements of Hyder Ali are: first one, Hyder Ali was aware of contemporary politics. Second one, though he was an illiterate, he knew many languages including Kannada. Third one, he extended his kingdom of Mysuru considerably. Fourth point, he was a brave soldier and efficient administrator. Continued. Fifth one, Hyder Ali has an important place in the history of Karnataka. Sixth one, he established the beautiful Lal Bagh garden in Bengaluru. Second question, write a note on the results of Third Anglo-Mysuru War. Answer. First point, in the Third Anglo-Mysuru War, the Britishers seized the capital city of Tippu's Srirangapatna. Second point, Tippu had to sign a peace treaty. Third point, as per the peace treaty, Tippu had to surrender half of his kingdom to the British and had to pay 330 lakh or 330 lakh as compensation. Continued. Fourth point, until compensation is cleared, 2 sons of Tippu were taken as hostage. Third question, what are the achievements of Tippu Sultan? Answer. The achievements of Tippu Sultan are: first point, Tippu was aware of the latest achievement in science and technology. Second point, he had a very good library. Third point, he built Bangalore Palace and Summer Palace in Srirangapatna, Darya Daulat. Fourth point, the walls, pillars and roof of the Summer Palace are painted with paintings depicting historical incidents. Continued. Fifth point, he popularized sericulture in the state. Sixth point, he modernized his army with the help of French. 7th point, he molded guns in Srirangapatna. 8th point, mastering the technique of the launching rockets was his uniqueness. 9th point, Tippu sanctioned grants to many Hindu temples and he gave gifts to Sringeri Matha. Continued. 10th point. The tomb of Hyder Ali and the Jumma Masjid were great constructions finished by Tipu. The minarets of the masjid are known for their beauty. 11th point. He established royal mints at Srirangapatna and Mysore. 4th question. List the achievements of Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadayar. Answer. The achievements of Nalvadi Krishnaraj Vadayar are: first point, he was well educated, he was a visionary, and had a soft corner for the welfare of the downtrodden. Second point, he gave 371 acres of land and 5 lakh rupees grants to J.N. Tata to start a science institution in Bangalore. Continued. Third point, in 1907, Legislative Assembly was established. Fourth point, he built KRS Dam and developed agriculture in the state. Fifth point, the present Mysuru Palace was completed in 1910. Sixth point, the Mysuru Economic Conference was started in 1911. Continued. Seventh point, he passed the order that backward classes should get special representation in government service. Eighth point, he gave voting power to women for the first time. Question number 5. What are the achievements of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya? Answer. Industrialize or perish was the famous declaration of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. The achievements of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya are: first point, he started sandalwood factory at Mysuru, a soap factory, central industrial workshop, leather processing and metal factories were started in Bengaluru. Continued. Second point, in order to provide impetus to trade and commerce, Mysuru Chambers of Commerce and Industries was started at Bengaluru. Third point, Mysuru Bank was started in 1913 to provide support to the growth of industries. Continued. Fourth point, he made primary education compulsory and gave importance to technical education. Fifth point, he established an agricultural school at Hebbal. Sixth point, the University of Mysuru was established in the year 1916. Seventh point, Kannada Sahitya Parishat was established in the year 1915. Continued. Eighth point, the construction of the KRS Dam continued and got completed in the year 1932. Ninth point, the railway lines between Mysuru and Arasikere Bowringpete and Kolara were laid. Next, fourth main question, match the following. A column and B column are there. So first I'll read A column. Chikkadevaraja Vadeyar, Tippu Sultan, Nalavadi Krishnaraja Vadeyar, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, Jayachamaraja Vadeyar. In the B column, Rajashri, Bharatratna, Navakoti Narayana, first governor, Tiger of Mysore. Okay, so let's match. Chikkadevaraja Vadeyar, answer Navakoti Narayana. Tippu Sultan, as we all know, Tiger of Mysore. Nalavadi Krishnaraja Vadeyar, Rajashri. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, we already read, Bharatratna. Jayachamaraja Vadeyar, first governor of Karnataka. Okay. Chikkadevaraja Vadeyar, Navakoti Narayana, Tippu Sultan, Tiger of Mysore, Nalavadi Krishnaraja Vadeyar, Rajashri, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, Bharatratna, Jayachamaraja Vadeyar, first governor. Activities. First one, mark the historical places in Mysuru state map. Second point, discuss and write, though Tippu Sultan tried to end the foreign occupation, he failed in his mission. Why? Okay. So, thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel, that is Your Class, Your Future, to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you.